Hello students, in this video lesson I have solved one question from exercise 7.1. But before that, let us look into some of the homework questions that was given in the earlier video lesson. So I have discussed the answers to the MCQs that was given in the previous online class. Please have a look. Now these were the 7 questions that was given as homework. I hope you have already solved them. The one in green is a solution to the questions. Let us discuss that. Line segment joining the midpoint of any side with the opposite vertex is called the median. Now in this triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of seg BC, and if I draw a line segment from the opposite vertex, that is A, then AD becomes the median of this triangle. Similarly, from this opposite vertex B, if I draw a line segment to the midpoint of AC, then that line segment becomes a median. Even from this vertex C, if I draw a line segment onto the midpoint of AB, then that line segment becomes a median. So every triangle will have 3 medians. The length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to any side is the altitude of the triangle. In other words, it is the height of the triangle. In this obtuse angle triangle, if you notice, the height, that is BD, is outside the triangle. In this acute angle triangle, ABC, BD is the height of the triangle, it is the altitude of the triangle. Third question, the point of intersection of all the altitudes of the triangle is known as the orthocenter of the triangle. Now in this triangle ACB, CP is perpendicular to AB, BM is perpendicular to AC, and AN is perpendicular to CB. Perpendicular sign is given. So these 3 perpendicular segments, they meet at a common point, and that point is called as the orthocenter. So students, I want you to remember this definition, that the point of intersection of all the altitudes of a triangle is called the orthocenter. Question number 4. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of a triangle, it is called as the circumcenter. So, given this triangle ACB, AB is one of the side of the triangle. Now look at this side AB and this line which is drawn on AB. You will notice that this line is dividing this AB into 2 equal parts. Which are the 2 equal parts? AP and PB. Not only that, this line, isn't it perpendicular to AB? See the perpendicular sign out here. That means this line is the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Now similarly, look at side CB. This line is not only perpendicular to CB, it is also bisecting CB. CN is equal to BN. So this line is the perpendicular bisector of CB. You just have to look at this portion out here. Okay, CN is equal to BN. So it is bisecting it and it is perpendicular because this angle forms a right angle with CB. So it is called the perpendicular bisector. Similarly, third side is AC. On this side AC, look at this line. This line is cutting this AC into 2 equal parts, MC and MA, right? And this is 90 degree. So it is the perpendicular bisector. So this triangle ACB, we have 3 perpendicular bisectors, and those 3 perpendicular bisectors meet at this point, which is called the circumcenter. And when you have the circumcenter, you can draw a circle outside the triangle. And you will notice this circle is touching the triangle. Okay. How to draw them, we will learn it later. The point of intersection of all medians of a triangle is called the centroid of the triangle. Now here we have an acute angle triangle, a right angle triangle, and an obtuse angle triangle. In this acute angle triangle, if you can see the three medians, they meet at point P. Similarly, here the point of intersection is P, and here also the point of intersection is P. These are the medians of the triangle, and the point at which they meet is called the centroid. So this is the centroid, this is the centroid of the right angle triangle, and this is also the centroid of the obtuse angle triangle. In triangle ABC, if twice angle A equal to thrice angle B equal to 6 times angle C, you have to find the measure of angle A. Now what we have done here is, first write down what the question is and then take the first one and the last, that is twice angle A equal to 6 times angle C. It's easier to calculate. So if twice angle A is 6 times angle C, what will be angle A? Angle A will be 6 by 2. So you get it as thrice angle C. So number this as statement 1. Now take these two. Thrice angle B is 6 times angle C. So thrice angle B is 6 times angle C. So what will be angle B? Angle B is 6 divided by 3. So it is twice angle C. Now if you look at statement 1 and statement 2, these two, isn't A equal to 3 times angle C and B equal to 2 times angle C? That means both of them are written in terms of angle C. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Substitute. What is A? A is 3 angle C. What is B? B is 2 angle C. What is C? Write C as it is. So when you add them, you get 6 angle C equal to 180 degree. Right? So what is the measure of C? C is 180 divided by 6. So C equal to 30 degree. Now if C is equal to 30 degree, go back to this equation 1. We have to find the value of A. What is A? A is 3 times angle C. So A is 3 into 30. So A is 90 degree. So we got the measure of A as 90 degree. I hope this is clear. Write down this solution. Similar question. In the same triangle, they have given the same thing, twice angle A equal to thrice angle B equal to 6 times angle C, and they've asked you to find the measure of angle B. You will proceed it the same way. First you take twice angle A equal to 6 times angle C, then you get the value of A. Similarly, from this you then get the value of B. And now you know that A plus B plus C is 180. But what is A? A is 3 angle C. So 3 angle C plus 2 angle C plus C is equal to 180 degree. So when you add them, you get 6 times angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C equal to 30 degree. Now if angle C is equal to 30, they've asked you to find out the value of B. So for B, you have to look into this. Okay. B is twice angle C. So what will be the value of B? 2 into 30. So B equal to 60 degree. So I hope with this, the homework questions are clear. The solution is given. Make a note of it. Now from exercise 7.1, this is the second question. It is given that in this quadrilateral ABCD, it's given AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So this is what you need to prove, and I want you to jot down what is given. So I've just copied down what is given out here. Now let us learn the proof of this question. Now this is the diagram that is given in the textbook. I have separated it out. For better understanding, what I've done is I've split the triangle, okay, that we need to prove, that is BAD. So this is one of the triangle BAD, and the other triangle that they're talking about is triangle ABC. So triangle ABC with the same indications given. Here A was given congruent to B, so I've drawn A congruent to B. Then they have given AD is congruent to BC, so I have shown AD is congruent to BC out here, right? Now how do you prove the two triangles congruent? It is Sas congruence rule. But how do you get Sas congruence rule? AD, that is this, is congruent to BC, same indication. Then this angle BAD is congruent to angle ABC. So BAD congruent to ABC. You could also write it like this. Then where is the third indication? If you look at the question given in the textbook, the third indication is missing. You have only one side and one angle. So it is for you to decide which is the common side. If you look at this, doesn't AB out here and BA out here become the common side? So I've shown the common side with this indication. AB is common to BA. AB is common to BA. Okay, so since these two are common, AB equal to BA, it's a common side. The two triangles become congruent by which test? SAS. Okay, they are congruent by SAS congruence rule. Then write down the corresponding paths. Therefore, BD becomes congruent to AC because they are the corresponding paths of congruent triangles, and angle ABD congruent angle BAC because that is also CPCT. And why is it that we have written this? Because this is asked in the proof, that you need to prove that these two are also equal. And the reason is CPCT. So students, we end the video lesson out here. Thank you. And in the next video lesson, we will continue with the remaining problems from exercise 7.1.